For Gayatri Damala, fashion comes naturally. A fashion designer by profession, Gayatri has been a part of the prestigious fashion shows like the Lakme Fashion Week and has also designed for London and New York fashion shows. She has worked as a professor of fashion design and has also written books on 17 subjects of fashion design. But Gayatri was not exactly happy with what she was doing. The Seva Center offers a 3 month long tailoring, embroidery, and printing course free of cost to the underprivileged children so that they can earn a living and stand on their own feet. There is also an extended comprehensive 6 month long course. Here at the center, Gayatri aims to empower girls from underprivileged backgrounds in the fields of tailoring, hand embroidery, dyeing, styling, all completely done under her supervision. The center also strives to provide the best in class infrastructure and training. A kit containing all essentials for each course is provided free of cost to each and every training. The cost of each of these kits comes to 21,000 rupees, and we look forward to your support in sponsoring them. We also look forward to your support in ensuring that these girls find gainful employment once they finish their course.
We started this in August of 2018. I had my studio before that. I used to hire a lot of interns from all the fashion institutes and all back then. But somewhere I saw there are a lot of people who are spending a lot and also not getting the worth of it. They're not able to do any kind of things like that. And similarly, I saw there are a lot of girls who were actually talented but couldn't afford to learn. I did my fashion design from International Institute of Fashion Design. That was a full-time graduation course. I worked with a lot of design houses and all, but somewhere I wasn't happy there. I took the space and I started. Earlier I was at Attapur, but now this is my own space. I started here with a small thing initially back in 2009. But now we have a well-established space. We got 3 batches running. Each batch consists of 6 girl childs. We teach them absolutely under Seva. We give them all the kits and all. They are basically from below poverty line. Most of the times these girls are not able to afford their 3 times a day meal to provide them with all the clothes. Now that they learn stitching, so they stitch for themselves. Basically we are offering 3 kinds of courses. 3, 4 and 6 months course. A 3-month course will include all the basics of kids wear and women's wear, like all your blouses and all, kurtas, all just the basic ones, nothing in advance. The 6 months course will have a little in advanced, and which will include your embroideries and dyeing and printing also. Tailoring is a field where you don't have to go actually looking for a job. You can actually have a small machine at your own place and stitch for yourself and earn your own living. So most of the girls have learned from here, passed out from here, bought their own machines. For few we have provided. I think for 4 we have provided. Now they are doing it at their own homes. These girls whoever learned here are basically these migrant workers. Ultimately they will go to their villages. They are not going to stay here permanently. See, there are a lot of people who are teaching tailoring, but that doesn't really serve the purpose. If you go everywhere, every street you'll find 2-3 tailors, but the difference what we are teaching them is the fashion. Okay. It's about textile. They get to learn about textiles. After this course, they will be able to identify what kind of textile it is, what kind of fabric it is. In terms of prints, they can design their own prints. They can design their own garment. Designing in the sense, they can look at a person, analyze what that person needs for what occasion and what will suit him or her, and then they can actually cut it and stitch it practically. There are around 80 to 85 things which we provide in the whole kit, which includes all the threads, all the pattern making essentials, the garment construction essentials, the textile books and all. textile samples, fabrics, embroidery materials, dyeing materials, and printing materials. Each student would cost around 21 to 25,000. We directly source from the manufacturers, because if we actually buy all these things from a local market, it's gonna cost us almost double. See, buying those materials and giving, I'm actually not encouraging this, because from long time we had been sourcing it from 3-4 different people who are giving it at a factory price. Now tomorrow, one day or 2 days, anybody can sponsor us, but after that I cannot lose those people who had been supporting me since long. So what I do, if anybody is wanting to sponsor, good, you can sponsor in terms of the payment. The payment can directly go to the person, or in the cash or any form to us, and we will source the material. We trained around 30 people. Around 20 of them are still in touch. Almost like now 6-7 people are not working anywhere. Either bought their machines or somebody has given them their machines, and they are working in now, sitting back at their homes. 4 of them are working with a boutique, some of the other boutiques in their own villages somewhere in Andhra. Rest, they bought their machines and they were stitching, they're taking orders. I worked for Lakme, I had worked for fashion houses like Karishma Shahani Khan and all, but that is not what I had been looking for with my life. I really wanted to make an impact. I wanted to make a change. Fashion should be affordable. Fashion is nothing more than what you want yourself to be looked at. Smiles on these girls' faces. That's the best part of the day.